back with another video. In this video I am going to start with quick review of the medicine part 3rd. So let's get started. Weight gain will not occur in pheochromocytoma, type 1 diabetic mellitus, adrenal insufficiency. Weight gain is a feature of Cushing syndrome, hypothyroidism, insulin secreting tumor and hypogonadism. In Varium study, red tail neck appearance suggestive of carcinoma of esophagus. Preferred investigation for patient with melena is upper GI endoscopy. Foul breathing, regurgitate 3 days before eaten food, likely to be Janker diverticulum. Corkscrew esophagus is seen in diffuse esophagus spasm. Hyperkeratosis of palm and sole is associated with carcinoma of esophagus. Verret esophagus is lower esophagus lined by columnar epithelium. Adenocarcinoma of esophagus is commonly found in Barrett esophagus. Best substitute of esophagus after esophagotomy is stomach. Common site of Cushing ulcer is stomach, esophagus, first part of duodenum. Commonest site of peptic ulcer is first part of duodenum. Helicobacter pylori is associated with gastric ulcer, cancer, gastrointestinal lymphoma, peptic ulcer. Helicobacter pylori is known as gastric ulcer, duodenal ulcer, gastric lymphoma. Diagnostic test for H. pylori include urea breath test, rapid urease test, gastric biopsy. Drug used in treatment for H. pylori, metrogil, colloid bismuth, amoxicillin and clarithromycin. Drugs of choice in patient on NSAID-induced gastritis is misoprostol. Duodenal ulcer is preventable by use of H2 blocker and HS-DOS. Toxic megacalone is most common associated with ulcerative colitis. Gut hypomotility is features of ulcerative colitis. Most common CNS manifestation of Whipple disease is dementia. Drugs of choice for ulcerative colitis is sulfasalazine. Massive bleeding per rectum in a 70-year-old male is due to diverticulosis. Causes of acute pancreatitis, gallstone, alcohol, hypertriglyceridemia. Increased amylase may be seen in pancreatic pseudocyst, perforated peptic ulcer, ruptured ectopic pregnancy. Cause of acute loss of vision in a patient with alcoholic pancreatitis is Purscher retinopathy. True of pseudopancreatic cyst, common after acute pancreatitis, present as an abdominal mass. Most common site is head of pancreas. Zollinger-Ellison syndrome, triad peptic ulcer, gastric hypersecretion, non-beta cell tumor. Drugs of choice in Zollinger-Ellison syndrome, omeprazole. Thing involved in protection of stomach mucosa, prostaglandin, mucose bicarbonate. Most common cause of lower GI bleeding in children, Meckel diverticulum. Pseudopolyp seen in endoscopy is ulcerative colitis. PPI are most effective when they are given shortly before meal. Gynecomastia is an adverse effect of cimetidine. Drug inhibiting gastric acid secretion, increasing mucose bicarbonate secretion in misoprostol. Concentration of glucose in standard WHO ORS is 111 millimoles per liter. Drugs of choice for ulcerative colitis, sulfasalazine. Krill should be avoided in a patient with celiac disease, wheat, Verle, Ray. Best site of taking biopsy of biliary esophagitis is adds of ulcer. Next one, Verret esophagus squamous to columnar metaplasia. Leiomyoma is a most common in stomach. Type of anemia caused by ileocecal TB, megaloblastic. Sister Mary Joseph nodules are found in gastric carcinoma. Passage of solid food is easier than liquid is achalasia cardia. Typhoid ulcer features hemorrhage is common, occur in lymphoid aggregation, longitudinal ulcer. Short losing nephritis, intestinal nephritis. Renal papillary necrosis is almost associated with type 2 diabetic mellitus. Nephrotic syndrome features hypoproteinemia, edema and hyperlipidemia. Presenting manifestation of Alport syndrome, hematuria. 8-year boy with diarrhea, decreased urine output, platelet of 19,000, diagnosis is hemolytic uremic syndrome. 10-year boy hematuria, after 2 days of diarrhea, blood film shows fragmented RBC with thrombocytopenia, and on US ultrasonography so marked and enlarged both kidney. Diagnosis is renal vein thrombosis. Polycystic kidney disease may have cyst in liver, pancreas, spleen. Nephritic syndrome, smoky urine, elevated BP, dysmorphic RBC. Microalbuminuria is seen in DM nephropathy. Hypercholesterolemia and hypoproteinemia is seen in nephrotic syndrome. Major risk factor of bladder cancer is aniline dye exposure. Sterile pyuria is seen in tuberculosis, analgesic abuse, bladder cancer. Most common medical cause of hematuria is AGN. Anemia seen in chronic renal failure is normocytic, normochromic. Most common infection in renal transplant is EVP. Drug useful in diabetic nephropathy is captopril. Diuretic that can cause gynecomastia on long-term use is spironolactone. Drugs of choice for central diabetes insipidus is hydrochlorothiazide. Potassium sparing diuretic is spironolactone. Necrotizing Papillitis may be seen in sickle cell disease, DM, analgesic nephropathy. Mercury affect which part of kidney? Proximal convoluted tubules. Mesangial deposit of monoclonal kappa lambda light chain and indicative F amyloidosis. Next one. Associated with adult polycystic kidney disease, varianeurysm of circle of Wills, hepatitis virus having significant perinatal transmission, hepatitis V virus. Most common route of spread in hepatitis E is fecal oral route. Acute infection of hepatitis B virus diagnosed by IgM antibody with HVC and Ag antigen. Hepatitis more dangerous in pregnancy, hepatitis E. Enzyme assay useful to diagnose alcoholism, SGOT. Normal portal venous pressure is 10 to 15 centimeter saline. But Chiari syndrome is most commonly due to hepatic vein obstruction. 12-year girl with tremor and emotional liability has a golden brown discoloration in descent membrane. Most likely diagnosis is Wilson disease. Major route of transmission of hepatitis B to the body from mother is delivery and feeding transplacentally. HBsAg antigen positive mother give birth to a baby. Best course of action for a baby shall be give immunoglobulin and vaccine at 0, 1 and 2 months. Spider navy can be seen in RA, cirrhosis of liver and pregnancy. Anti-double standard DNA is highly specific for SLE. Pianka is characteristic features of microscopic polyangiitis, and Cianca is characteristic feature of Wegener granulomatosis. 30-year-old lady with difficulty in climbing stair and combing hair. Gower signs is present and investigation revealed antijo-1 antibody positive diagnosis with dermatomyositis. Characteristic of Hinoch-Sachelon purpura is blood in stool. Bilateral hilar lymphadenopathy along with non-scissoring granulomas is a characteristic feature of sarcoidosis. Most commonly involved in patients with sarcoidosis, 7th cranial nerve. Erosive arthritis is seen in gout, osteoarthritis and old age. Primary idiopathic polymyositis does not involve ocular muscles. Ankylosing spondylitis associated with HLA-V27. Type of anemia seen in rheumatoid arthritis, normocytic normochromic anemia. Spine affected in rheumatoid arthritis cervical. 35-year female developed PIP, DIP and metacarpopharyngeal joint. Probable diagnosis is rheumatoid arthritis. Specific test for gout is raised uric acid and synovial fluid of joint. Patient with diabetic mellitus, painless swollen ankle, X-ray show destroyed joint with large loose body, probable diagnosis Charcot joint. Clubbing seen in mesothelioma, bronchoectasis, cyanotic heart disease and primary biliary cirrhosis. Next one, hypersensitivity pneumonitis is farmer lung. Features of asbestosis, pneumococcus, pleural calcification, bloody pleural fluid. Primary atypical pneumonia is caused by mycoplasma and Cartagena syndrome features cystic fibrosis, dextrocardia, sinusitis. Paradoxical breath is characteristic for diaphragmatic paralysis. Most common cause of spontaneous pneumothorax, rupture of subpleural pleural. Most common anterior mediastinal tumor is thymoma. Cause of ARDS, fast embolism, septicemia, multiple blood transfusion. Most common opportunistic infection in HIV patient with CD4 count of 200. Pneumocystis carinii. Monday chest tightness is characteristic feature of vicinosis. Drug contraindicated in HIV, coexistent tubercular rifampicin. Tension pneumothorax relieved by needle in second intercostal and mid-clavicular line. Bronchiectasis is most commonly in which lobe? Left lower lobe. Alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency associated with panacenar emphysema. Acute lung injury is caused by aspiration, toxic gas inhalation and lung contusion. Features seen in ARDS: pulmonary edema, decreased tidal volume, decreased compliance. Most common causative organism for liver pneumonia is Streptococcus pneumonia. Commonest sign of aspiration pneumocystis is cyanosis. Treatment of chlamydia pneumonia is erythromycin. Feature of primary TB, pleural effusion, consodilation, lymphadenopathy. Most common cause of emphysema is bacterial pneumonia. Most common cause of amoebic lung is abscess is direct spread from liver. Most common source of pulmonary embolism, large vein of leg. Most common cause of acute or acute core pulmonale, pulmonary thromboembolism. High amylase level in pleural fluid suggests a diagnosis of malignancy. While interesting CVC, patient develop respiratory distress, MLC is pneumothorax. Most common cause of mediastinitis esophageal rupture. Most common bronchogenic cancer is adenocarcinoma. In chronic smoker, highly malignancy, aggressive and metastatic lung cancer is small cell carcinoma. Commonest type of lung cancer is non-smoker is adenocarcinoma. Bronchial adenoma commonly present and recurrent hematopsis. Chest X-ray normal for 16-year patient with hematopsis next line bronchoscopy. Complication for blood transfusion, metabolic alcoholysis, hyperkalemia and tetany. Feature for sickle cell anemia, PH, fish vertebra, increased size of heart. Next one, most sensitive and specific test for diagnosis iron deficiency serum ferritin level. Earliest sign of iron deficiency anemia, decrease in serum ferritin level. Sickle cell trait, HBS, HBF, HBA, HBA2. Sickle cell anemia, HBS, HBF, HBA2. Features of chronic case of sickle cell anemia, hepatomegaly, pulmonary hypertension, cardiomegaly and nodes one is splenomegaly. Acute presentation of sickle cell anemia, splenomegaly. In beta thalassemia, there is decrease in beta chain, increase in alpha chain. Diagnosis of beta thalassemia is established by HB hemoglobin electrophoresis. Splenectomy is most useful in hereditary spherocytosis. Autoimmune hemolytic anemia is seen in CALL. Condition associated with COM-positive hemolytic anemia in SLE. Stem cell disorder affecting all R3 line platelet RBC leukocytosis, paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinemia. Cause of ITP is antibody to platelet. 20-year adult present with severe hypoplastic anemia. Most effective treatment is bone marrow transplantation. Commonest mode of inheritance of bone Bilivran disease, autosomal dominant. Non-palpable purpura is seen in ITP. Most common type of Hodgkin lymphoma is nodular sclerosis. Most common type of Hodgkin lymphoma in India is mixed cellulitis. Best prognostic type of Hodgkin lymphoma is lymphocytic predominant. In Burkitt lymphoma, translocation seen in chromosome 8 to 14 translocation. Hairy cell leukemia is a neoplastic proliferation of B cell. Treatment of choice in hairy cell leukemia is cladribine. Feature of multiple myeloma, visual disturbance, bleeding tendency, proteinuria. Raised ESR with raised creatinine, multiple myeloma. Features of polycythemia vera, increased GI bleed, thrombosis, transient visual loss. Most relevant investigation to exclude polycythemia is erythropoietin level. Urgent reversal of warfarin induced bleeding can be done by FFP. Reversing of effect of coumarin therapy, vitamin K administration. Reversing of heparin is by protamine sulfate. Anemia in CRF patient is corrected by erythropoietin. And good source of iron, liver, egg yolk and jaggery and not milk. Most common adverse effect of oral iron therapy, vomiting. Drug of choice for acute iron poisoning is desferoxamine. Route of administration of vitamin B12 in pernicious anemia, subcutaneous. Vitamin contraindicated in G6PD is Mantadione. Prothrombin time is used to monitor the effect of warfarin. Anticoagulant of choice for heparin-induced thrombocytopenia is lepridine. Anticoagulant drugs are least effective in acute MI. Patient with post-splenectomy status, her blood peripheral smear study would show presence of Hubble-Joly nodules. After several units of blood transfusion, complication might be metabolic alcoholosis. Low HB, low platelet, low WBC suggest myelofibrosis. O positive RBC colloid crystalloid can be given in emergency crisis without doing ABO group, and his red cell group and plasma do not match. Most common cause of seizure in newborn, hypoxic induced ischemic encephalopathy. Cyanosis at birth indicate tetralogy of Fallot, transposition of the great vessels and tricuspid atresia. Component of Apgar score is heart rate, BP and muscle tone. Physiological jaundice in a term baby lasts up to 7 days. Most common cause of pathological jaundice in first day of life, RH incompatibility. Most common cause of neonatal mortality in India is prematurity. Unconjugated hyperbilirubinemia is seen in Gilbert syndrome, physiological jaundice and Crigler-Najjar syndrome. Nocturnal aneurysms may be considered normal up to 6 years. Height of a newborn double at 4 years. Weight of a child triple is 1 year. Very low birth weight is less than 1,500 gram. Anterior frontale ossify by 18 month. Moro reflex disappear by 3 month. Vitamin D deficiency is manifested at rickets. Specific sign of quasicore is pitting edema. Malnutrition is assisted clinical by mid-arm circumferences, weight for age and BMI. Feature of scurvy, hyperkeratosis, ecchymosis of lower limb, bleeding gums. 9-year child needed prophylaxis of vitamin A dose route is 1 lakh international unit orally. Breastfeeding should be initiated within half hour. Acute malnutrition in child is clinically assessed by weight for height. Chronic malnutrition in a child best assessed by height for age. Fetal lung maturity is assessed by lecithin sphingomylation ratio, foam stability index, amniotic fluid phosphatidylcholine level. Features of Down syndrome: sensory hearing loss, VSD, duodenal atresia. Chest radiopathy in tetralogy of Fallot is boot-shaped heart. In 80% right-sided arch of aorta, oligemic lung field. Most common cause of death in aortic stenosis patient is ISD with VF. Commonest virus causing diarrhea in infant rotavirus. Coplic spots in measles. Most common tumor in children, leukemia. Increased fetal HB is seen in juvenile CML, and blood specimen for neonatal thyroid screening is obtained on cord blood. Thank you.